Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is January the 17th and I'm using my new PIP Sniper trading system. This system uses a momentum indicator right here, and you'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box, an alert, as it shows right here, momentum, and the other one is part of the super signal indicator, the arrows, either buy or sell alert. Now this super signal indicator, it's a must-have, and it's something I came up with a few months after I did the videos for the PIP Sniper, so it's an add-on that I put on. But anyhow, now we can get into these trades. Right at 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm in front of the computer where this vertical line is, checking out all the instruments and also taking a look at the daily trade plan. So here is a screenshot. Now this daily trade plan expert advisor runs in real time, and things can change, after 30 minutes or the 1 hour or the 4 hours. That is where there's more weight, as I am a day trader, in and out, daily. So there's more weight put on these 3 time frames. And it can change within 4 hours. It can go from red to blue quite easily. Now I take a look at the daily trade plan, and also I look to see how the charts look, whether to find signs whether it should be market is going to go up or down. So now we can get into these trades. First one was the pound Aussie, wanted to be buying it. As you can clearly see, it's in an uptrend. Let's see where I got in at. Took the trade here. I took all these trades before 7 o'clock, looks like, and I closed them all out about 2 hours later, 2 hours, 15 minutes. Anyhow, for a couple hours, this one here mostly just went sideways. And basically, I just keep an eye on the total down here. Once I know that I got 200 or more pips and ticks, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. So on this trade, it looks like I got 14 pips. And those 14 pips ended up paying $975. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. It's in an uptrend, qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow. Knew I wanted to be buying. Again, I took it here. It went up, went down, went back up. But anyhow, that's the way the market moves. Very random, up and down cycles. And I ended up closing out the trade here. Let's see, 16 pips. Looks like those 16 pips ended up paying out $1,324. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Here we go. Wanted to be buying it. Everything was suggesting it's going to go up, but the market can easily do pullbacks before it goes up. So let's see where I got in at. There's that pullback I was telling you about. I wasn't too worried about it, especially after I saw this hammer here. I knew it was going to go. And so I ended up closing out the trade. Now I took the money and divided it by 5 because it pays $5 for each tick, and the calculator says it's 35. There it is right there, 35. You remove the last digit. So 35 ticks ended up paying out $1,750. Moving on to the next trade, which was the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Okay, let's run a check on this NASDAQ, which pays $10 for each, or $20, pardon me, it's $20 for each tick. Looking at the money, looks like it's going to be around 10. So let's see. Took the trade here. If I stayed in a trade, I would have made a lot more, but as I mentioned, I was happy at this point, so I just closed out the trades. So it should be around 10. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits. Glad I'm out, because around this point I'll be either break even or probably losing. But anyhow, I closed it out with 10 ticks to the good, and that paid out $2,040. Moving on to the next trade. Pound CAD, wanted to be buying it, qualified for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Took the trade. There was your super signal arrow right here. Everything looks perfect for going up. So I took the trade and I closed it out. Just as you can easily see, the market goes up and does a cycle and then up. It's still going up. But I was happy with 45. Looks like 45 pips on this trade, and that ended up paying out $3,436. Moving on to the next trade is the Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 39, and I'm certainly glad at this point. By the way, this is the 9:30 opening bell. You have to be aware that sometimes the market will do a complete reversal, or it could have just shot straight up. So I did get in at this cursor, and I knew I wanted to be out, as you can see on the time before the opening bell, which is, as I said, 9:30. This should show, as I said, 39. There it is right there. Remove the last digit. 39 ticks times the money, and the lots paid out $3,900. Moving on to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip because of the USD is on the right hand side. It's the same as the pound dollar. And of course they're correlated. If you buy one, you can buy both, which is exactly what I did. So on this euro dollar, let's see where I got in at. Took the trade here. I knew it was going to go up. Too many things telling me it's going to go up. And looking at the money, since it pays $10, it should be 40. There it is right there, 40 pips. And that's why you see it paid out $4,000. Same thing can be said for the pound dollar. $10 for each one. This should be 65 here. Qualified for a great way to trade. Everything screaming to buy, including the daily trade plan. So let's just see. Got in here. As I mentioned, this should be 65. And there it is right there, 65 pips times $10 times the lots paid out $6,500. Moving on to the last trade, the DAX 30. Here we go. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. Momentum is saying to buy. So let's see where I got in at. Went sideways for a while until finally it took off. Could have made a little bit more, but I wasn't too worried about it. I took the money, divided it by $3.75. That's what it pays for each tick. Calculator says it's 195 ticks. 195. There it is right there. 195 times the money times the lots paid out $7,312. So another great day of trading using my pip sniper, and I added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total came to 459, and those 459 pips and ticks ended up paying out $31,239. So if your system's not producing great results like my pip sniper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll see 4 different packages. I recommend getting all 4, as remember, you need a lot of chart time, you need a lot of demo trading, you need a lot of education. I can provide the education, and of course you need a daily trade plan. Remember, those are the 4 things you need to succeed at trading. Now, of course, if you're interested, or if you have any questions whatsoever, all my contact information is down below. You can call me directly, you can email me, and I do prefer Skype. I produced a link, easy for you. Just click on the link, we'll have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So I guess it's just about time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.